Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and today we're going to be preparing the recipe for cheesy garlic bread. Yes guys, almost all of us love a nice serving of crispy cheesy garlic bread. So I thought of sharing a very easy recipe that you can prepare at home with very less ingredients and in almost no time. So if you want to know how I made this cheesy garlic bread at home, then please keep on watching. For this recipe, take 1 green chilli, 6 to 7 pods of garlic and some coriander leaves. And churn all of this in a mixer grinder to form a nice coarse paste. Now we'll add some Amul cheese spread in this paste that we've made. I'm gonna be adding about 1 to 2 spoons of cheese spread to this. I'm using Amul cheese spread over here. You can use any brand you want. Now give all of this a really nice mix. I'm using this kind of bread here. You can use anything available with you. I have slit it into 2 parts. And before starting with the process, the first thing we need to do is put a grill stand inside the microwave and preheat the microwave for about 2 to 4 minutes. Make sure to set the microwave on grill mode. And while our microwave is preheating, let's start with the procedure of the bread. Take some spread that we've prepared using the cheese and garlic mixture and apply it generously over the top of your bread. Make sure to apply a thick layer of this spread on your bread. Remember, you can vary the amount of garlic and coriander, green chilies and cheese in this sauce as per your liking of the flavors of the ingredients. After applying a thick coating of this sauce, add lots of cheese on top of your bread. You can add as much cheese as you want here because all of it is gonna enhance the flavor of your cheesy garlic bread. Then top this with some mozzarella cheese. So earlier I took the normal processed cheese cubes that we get in the market, and now I'm using this mozzarella diced cheese on my bread. This is entirely optional. This basically adds flavor to your garlic bread. Once done, place these garlic breads on the grill stand placed in the microwave. And start the microwave for 5 minutes on grill mode. Once done, take out the garlic bread of the oven and your yummylicious cheesy garlic bread is ready. So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, then please let me know in the comments down below. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press that bell icon so you do not miss any upcoming videos of mine. Do try this recipe at home and share your recreations with me on all my social media handles. The link for my social media handles would be given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.